Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my English class. So, children, the very first thing you are going to put today's date. On the red line, write the chapter's name, that is the poem name, The Swing. On the red line, write it down. Then leave the first line and write the question. Question number 1. And the question is, how does the speaker in the poem you can refer your book for the question, children. Describe going up in the first stanza. That is the first paragraph. And the answer to this question is the child who is on the swing? The child describes everybody write with me. Going up in the swing the child describes going up in the swing as the pleasantest. Check out the spelling, children. Pleasantest. Pleasantest. I repeat, Pleasantest. Pleasantest, that means enjoyable thing. Pleasantest things ever a child can do. Full stop. Check out the lines, 4 lines when you are writing, children. Don't be in a hurry, I will give you enough time. So, question number 2 is, what can the speaker see as he goes up in the air? Question mark. What can the speaker see as he goes up in the air? And the answer is as the child Who is the speaker here? The child. The child is sitting on the swing and he is describing what happens. What does he feel when he is on the swing? As the child goes up in the air, he gets a view of the countryside. Full stop. What do you mean by countryside? Lands far from cities or towns, which is usually used for farming. That is what we call as countryside. The answer is, as the child goes up in the air, he gets a view of the countryside. More is there to write in this answer. So here I am writing question number 2 itself. After countryside, you have to write he can see. This is question number 2 only, okay? He can see rivers, comma, trees, and cattle over the countryside. Full stop. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country, S-I-D-E, side, countryside. Okay. The answer was, as the child goes up in the air, he gets a view of countryside. Full stop. He can see rivers, trees, and cattle over the countryside. Okay. Hereby we complete our second answer. Now we come to question number 3. Question number 3 is, what does the speaker see as he/she, that is a girl or a boy, anybody can sit on the swing, it can be either one, comes down what does the speaker see as he or she comes down before he/she goes up again? Okay, that is, the swing is moving up and down, right? So what does he see when the swing comes down, right? And the answer is when the child comes down COWN, okay, comes down on the swing that is the swing is coming down, okay, the child is still on the swing. The child is not getting down from the swing when the child comes down on the swing, okay, that means the child is still on the swing. He or she can see the green garden. What is the color of garden? That is green. Green garden. That is the color of leaves. And brown roof. Color of roofs are brown, generally brown in color, okay? So, brown roof. Let's repeat it once, children. What does the speaker see as she comes down before he or she goes up again? That is, he or she is swinging on the swing. When the child comes down on the swing, he or she can see the green garden and brown roof. Okay. So this was all for today, children. We have completed all the 3 answers. Thank you so much.